What do you think comes first, the chicken or the egg? Or maybe the real question is, where does the process really start? Sometimes the solution to your problems is right in front of you. Eid Mubarak from ASM family. Stay safe.